2018 Hyundai Sonata review. The Hyundai Sonata was refreshed to the 2018 model year. It's a great commuter vehicle and family sedan. Thanks to its overall competence, it sits near the top of our mid-size cars. New for 2018. New tech and driver assistance features. New transmission in limited 2.0T. New suspension. Pros and cons. Large trunk. Supportive seats and cozy ride. User-friendly features. Good fuel usage. Engine's not overly energetic. Sloping roofline eats into rear seat headroom. The 2018 Hyundai Sonata receives a new suspension included in its refresh. There's an apparent difference. The Sonata still isn't one of the most agile car inside the class, nonetheless it delivers a more pleasant driving experience, remains poised while cornering, and rides comfortably. There are 3 4-cylinder engines to select from, each mated to an automatic transmission. The Eco trim has got the best fuel economy, though the 2.0T trims possess the liveliest engine. The Hyundai Sonata comes standard, which has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that thumps out 185 horsepower. It's mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The base engine has adequate power for driving out, however it's not overly impressive. There are 2 other engine options in the event you don't want the camp 4-cylinder. One can be a 178 horsepower, turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder paired having a 7-speed automatic transmission. This engine powers the Eco trim, and its particular primary goal would be to deliver better fuel economy. The other available engine is really a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that produces 245 horsepower, which is mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine is by far the most enjoyable and delivers the best acceleration, even though it still doesn't turn the Sonata to a true athlete. With the camp engine, the Sonata gets an estimated 25 miles per gallon within the city and 35 miles per gallon on the road. Those ratings drop to 2,332 miles per gallon city highway together with the 245 horsepower engine. The Eco trim lives approximately at Spilling, however, earning 28 miles per gallon inside city and 37 while traveling. The 2018 Hyundai Sonata comes with a simplistic yet modern cabin design, as well as the materials usually are high quality. The seats are comfy and supportive, though taller passengers might prefer more rear seat headroom. The Sonata's trunk is larger than average. There are several convenient and easy-to-use tech features. The Sonata seats 5 on cloth upholstery, leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, sports seats, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, plus a heated controls are available. The front seats are happy and supportive, and they'll help keep you feeling fresh even on long drives. The rear seats can accommodate most adults comfortably, nevertheless the sloping roofline will cut in the headroom of taller riders. The latch car seat system within the Sonata may be frustrating. All the top tether anchors are really simple to find and distinct using their company hardware, though the lower anchors are buried too deep from the seat. It is also tough to maneuver around the fewer anchors for the driver's side rear seat. Standard features within the Sonata include Bluetooth, a USB port, a 6-speaker head unit, a 7-inch touchscreen display, Hyundai's Blue Link infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and also a rear-view camera. Newly standard features that had been previously optional include blind spot monitoring, lane change assist, and rear cross traffic alert. Optional features such as a power sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, a 9-speaker Infinity Premium head unit, satellite radio, HD radio, an 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation, wireless device charging, proximity key entry, push-button ignition, adaptive headlights, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, rear parking sensors, pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control.